Kachan! Uraraka, are you okay? You good, Bakugou?
Yeah, fine. Shut up.
What was that just now? A patented Bakugou sneeze. That was a sneeze? Dang, I heard that from the roof. Everybody okay?
Why were you on the roof?
Oh, you know, just chatting with none your business. Okay. Boy, round face sneezed first. But she's not the one with explosive mucus, apparently. Either that or you're just sweating out of your nose. Gross, bro. Doesn't matter. Uraraka sneezed first, then Bakugou sneezed back. Wouldn't that be Snow's? Roki? I don't know. Is no one else picking up on the rhyme scheme of this conversation? Only you, FT Lovecraft. 8 out of 10 since it wasn't a stupid bird pun. I'll take it. Someone say bird?
No.
Hey, Kachan, you should consider Gunpowder Snot as a possible hero name. You should start looking into covering your funeral service, Duracell.